Today I will cover a game between Anatoly Jbenik and Mikhail Tal from 1955. In this game, Tal had the white pieces. So let's check out this game. So Anatoly Jbenik with the white pieces opened with d4, from knight to f6 by Tal, knight to f3 and g6. Tal is preparing to bishop to g7. Now we have c4, bishop to g7, so Tal goes for the King's Indian defense, knight to c3 and castles by black. Now g3, white is also preparing bishop to g2. We have d6 now, bishop to g2 and now c5, striking in the center. We have castles by white and now knight to c6. We have h3, not allowing any bishop to g4 or knight to g4 idea. Now we have c captures on d4, knight captures and queen captures on d4. We have bishop to e6, just developing the bishop. Now we have queen to h4. Instead of queen to h4, white could also play bishop to g5 or knight to e4 is also possible. White played queen to h4, now rook to c8, just attacking this pawn twice. So this pawn is attacked twice by the bishop and the rook, so have to defend that one. So b3 now and now h5, not allowing any bishop to h6 idea, because white will try to play bishop to h6 and he will extend this dark square bishop, but King's Indian defense, this bishop is very strong. Now we have knight to h5, just preventing bishop to h6. Now we have bishop to d2 and now queen to d7. We have rook a to c1 and bishop to f6, just attacking the queen. We have bishop to g5 now, bishop captures on g5, queen captures on g5 and bishop captures on h3. Now we have bishop captures on h3 by white, queen captures and now queen to e7. So white played queen to e7, white grabs a pawn, but instead of queen to e7 is not a good move. Actually you should play knight to d5, because after knight to d5 white is threatening to give this check, so also this come with this also will pick up the rook. So black will play rook c to e8. Now white can play rook f to d1. We have f6, just attacking the queen. Queen to e3 and now e6. So knight to c7, then black can play rook to e7 and knight to b5, and the game continues, and this is fine position for both white and black. But after queen captures on h3, white played queen captures on e7, but now Tal has a very strong and good move. You can pause the video here and find the move that Tal played. This is a very strong move. You found knight captures on g3, this is the move Tal played. From knight captures on g3 by Tal, now f captures only move, and now queen captures on g3 with check, king to h1 and now rook c to e1, just attacking the queen. We have queen captures on b7 and now rook to e5, so just preparing rook to h5, because this will be checkmate. All the squares covered by the queen, so rook to h5 will be checkmate. So to prevent that one, the only move is queen to g2. So queen to g2 was played in the game. We have rook to h5 with check, king to g1 and now queen to e3 with check, king to f2 just blocking, and now queen to h6. Now again white captures a pawn, but this is not the good move. Tal played queen to g5 with check, king to f2. Also you can see this check also connect with the rook. Now we have king to h2, the only move. The best move is e1, king to e1. King to e1 was played, and now rook captures on c1 with check. We have knight to d1 just blocking and going to c2. queen to e7, because white is threatening checkmate here. Now we have queen captures on a2 and now rook to f1. The queen to a5 with check, king to f1, and now rook to h1 with check. In this position actually white just resigned the game because this is totally lost position for white. So in this position actually white resigned because the only available square for the king is king g2. Now after king to g2, white can play queen to h5, queen to e3, queen to h2 with check, king to f3, queen to h3 with check, king to e4. And in this position you can either play f5 or rook to e8. These two moves are possible. If you play f5 with check, then we have rook captures on f5, g captures on h5, queen to d4, rook captures on d1, queen to d3, just blocking. We have rook captures on d3 with check, e captures. Now queen to g3, king to c3, queen to e1 with check, king to c2, rook to e8, b4, queen captures on b4, d4 now, rook to e2 with check, queen to d3 and queen to d2, king to d3 and queen to d2. This will be checkmate. And after king to e4 you can also play rook to e8. After, if you play rook to e8 with check, then king to d5. Now we have rook captures on d1, queen to d3, queen to e6 with check, king to c6, queen to c2 with check, king captures on d6, rook to e6 with check, king to d5, queen to d8 with check, king to c5, queen to b6 with check, and after king to d5, queen to d6 with checkmate because all the squares are covered. So after rook to h1 with check, white just resigned the game. So that was the game. I hope you enjoyed that one, and if you enjoy my content then please subscribe, and thank you for watching.